Good morning. It is March 20th, 2020, and everybody is in COVID-19 lockdown. So I thought I would attempt to make some enamel dots out of perler beads. So these are the beads that I bought. They were just Michael's. I think the package was like $8, 800 beads, and I used a coupon. It also came with these little forms, which of course I won't be using. So I made two batches. This is batch number 1. And one of the things I noticed is the lighter colors ended up with these little belly buttons, which was kind of cute and fun, not expected. And this particular batch, the first batch I did, I baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. So the second batch I did, which is actually just cooling on the counter right now on my cookie sheet, I baked for 27 minutes. Yeah, some of these also have, like, it's a teeny tiny divot. I'm still going to use it because who cares? But the second batch that I did seems to have melted more evenly, and I still have all of these left, which is amazing. So I am going to put these in the little container that I set aside, and I'm going to go get, so satisfying, whoa. And I'm going to go get the second batch. So I'm going to pause, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this was batch number 2. As you can see, I just used some parchment paper and a really junky cookie sheet. I wouldn't recommend using this cookie sheet for baking anymore, even though I know the plastic didn't touch it, but it weirds me out. So this is batch number 2. Sorry, I just dinged the cookie sheet. This is batch number 2, which I melted at 27 minutes, as you can see. And it looks like they're all pretty well melted. I don't see any little, well, there's a teeny tiny divot there, but meh. I'm not gonna not use it for sure. But I'm really impressed with how easy these were to make. It certainly won't be the last batch I make. Nicole Jones 911 was the instructions that I followed, because she's Canadian and I figured her climate is closer to mine, so more likely that the temperatures and things that she cited would be more accurate for me. So yeah, I mean, crazy cute. They're quite small. I don't actually have any other enamel dots to compare size-wise, but in my mind this would be what I would consider a medium-sized dot, which is more or less the size that I would tend to use anyway. So it worked out perfectly for me. And as you can see, because I have no fingernails, they're coming off the parchment paper really easily. I should probably wait until they're totally cooled, but close enough. Yeah, so I'm hoping to use these on a couple of projects as we're in our what is it they're calling it? Social isolation. My sister-in-law had a really good way of putting it. She said introverts have been practicing for this for years, and I'm an introvert, so this, besides the whole, panic and the financial worry, I'm not stressed about being at home. But, I also don't have kids to entertain, and hubby is still at work right now, though it's sounding more and more like he's going to get laid off in the next coming days. So stay tuned for that, I guess. In which case, I'll probably be crafting a little bit less, because I tend to sprawl my stuff everywhere when I get into this, especially this kind of crafting. And yeah, he gives me a hard time about making a mess. In a fun way, not in a judgy way. But yeah, no need to add to the stress at this already stressful time. Oh, wow, look at how easy these are pulling off. Why, hello. So I just had another thought. I am going to go and grab, I have this like top coat nail polish, and it's, which is totally ironic. it's supposed to give your nails a matte finish. I'm going to pause and grab that and see if it changes the shininess of these. I don't really think you can tell in this light, but I'm going to go grab it and I'll be right back again. Okay, I grabbed my bottle. It is Essie Matte About You top coat. It's not a particularly new nail polish, but just for the sake of fun, let's pick purple because the color will probably show up a bit better on screen. All right, so let's do this and just see. I should have my tweezers right now. Concentrating, can't talk. Okay, so let's just see if that, oh, it is, it's mattifying it. Oh, cool. Okay, I'm gonna bring this closer so you can actually see. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I'm super, super impressed. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but this is the matte one, and you can see like it's very dull. And then the one on top is the one that I didn't coat. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I'm totally going to be doing a few more of those. Very neat. So there you go. Just another twist on an enamel dot, I guess. If you like to add the texture. Oh, wow, and it dried really fast too. If you like to add the texture, but don't want the glare, that's a little bit better. You can see it. See how close I can get my hand without actually hitting my camera. Focus. Maybe too close. There we go. That's a bit better. So you can see the one on the top of my hand is the one that had the matte polish on it, and the one on the bottom is just regular. So you go. Looks like I'm going to be nail polishing some enamel dots just for fun. All right, guys, so stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands, and keep your distance, and get your craft on. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. See you soon. Bye.